Hi everyone, it's Carlos Avalos here, your local realtor. Have you ever heard of Proposition 19 here in California? If not, you're not alone, or probably don't have much information about Prop 19. Well, I'm here to provide you details. And one of the myths is that you have to live in your home a certain amount of years in order to qualify for Proposition 19. And that's simply not true. There's no time frame for you to take advantage of this proposition in order for you to apply and qualify. The only thing that is required is for the home to be your primary residence at the time of sale. You need to be 55 and older, severely disabled, or a victim of a natural disaster. If so, you may transfer your lower taxes from your current home to your new home purchase. The only other qualification is you need to qualify for the California homeowners exception. Another fact is a homeowner that is 55 and over, severely disabled, or a victim of a natural disaster can use Proposition 19, can take advantage of Proposition 19 up to 3 times during your lifetime. So if this is you and you're looking to make a move soon, sell and purchase, and you're over 55, severely disabled, or a victim of a natural disaster, take advantage of Proposition 19. We would love to be of service to you during the sale and the purchase and guide you throughout the whole process, where you'll be able to transfer your current lower property taxes to your new home purchase. If you want more information or would like to speak with Rosa or myself, reach out through social media, or you can call us or text us. Our contact information is here under the description of this post. We hope to talk to you soon, and we hope this video with these details come in handy. Take care. Bye-bye. Talk soon.